Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, ninth class. Today is Monday, 24th May 2021. The topic of our today discussion is the chapter number 3, Dynamic, topic mass and weight, and second topic is Newton's third law of motion. Page number, book page number 62. Mass and weight. There are important short questions which is differentiate between mass and weight. Generally, mass and weight are considered similar quantities, but it is not correct. They are two different quantities. Mass is the property of matter and weight depend on effect of gravity. First one major difference is the property of matter is called mass, and second, weight depend upon the effect of gravity. Second difference is the mass of object is same everywhere, but weight increase or decrease with higher or lower gravity. Simply we can say mass of a body is a quantity of matter possessed by a body, and weight is the amount depend upon the gravity. Second is the third is mass can never be zero. Weight can be zero if no gravity act upon it. It is a scalar quantity and does not change with change of place. It is measured by comparison with standard masses using beam balance. Mass may be measured using a ordinary balance. So weight is a vector quantity and weight is measured using spring balance. We can say, on other words, weight of a body is a force of gravity acting on it. It is a basically force of gravity that act upon a body. And on the earth, weight of a body is equal to the force with which earth attract it. It varies depending upon the value of g, acceleration due to gravity. Hence, major differences. So, weight of a body of mass m is related to equation W is equal to mg, and weight is a force, thus it is a vector quantity. Weight is measured using spring balance. SI unit of mass is kilogram and SI unit of weight is Newton, which is a unit of force. So आज का जो आपका टॉपिक है उसमें आपने मेजर डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन मैस एंड वेट है. सो हमारे पास टुडे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज न्यूटन थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन. Newton third law of motion deal with the reaction of body when force acts on it. When force apply on a body, the reaction about force discuss in Newton third law of motion. Let a body exert a force on another body, the body be react with against this force. This exert a force. Example is the action of a book and reaction on it. Book lying on a table. Simply we can say this law state that to every action there is always an equal but opposite reaction. According to this law, action is always accompanied by the reaction force and two forces must always equal to and opposite. Note that action and reaction forces acts on a different bodies. So we take one example about Newton third law of motion. Consider a book lying on a table. Weight of a book is acting on table in the downward reaction. Consider first टेबल है, बुक है, बुक का जो वेट है डिपेंड करता है हमारे पास डाउनवर्ड, जो फोर्स टेबल की है वो अपवर्ड, तो डाउनवर्ड फोर्स कैंसल आउट द अपवर्ड फोर्स विच आर इक्वल बट अपोजिट इन डायरेक्शन, सो बुक इज एट रेस्ट. तो वेट ऑफ अ बॉडी एक्टिंग ऑन अ टेबल इज डाउनवर्ड रिएक्शन. दिस इज अ एक्शन. द रिएक्शन ऑफ अ टेबल एक्ट्स ऑन अ बुक इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. So this is called Newton's third law of motion. Simply we can define Newton's third law of motion as action and reaction are equal but opposite in direction. This law states that action and reactions are equal but opposite in direction. Or we can say to every reaction there is always equal but opposite reaction. So today topics of our today discussions are mass and weight, and second topic is Newton third law of motion. uh, Mass and weight is short questions according to board, and Newton third law of motion is also short. So इनमें से कोई इशू हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो. ओके बेटा, टेक केयर.